I can fix this. Have read all my life.
Wait. You may have learned some myths and I can help you understand better. Hello folks, welcome to Steve's Garage. I will help with your day-to-day vehicle repair issues. In this series I am going to be your vehicle repair myth buster. A very common misconception, adding additives means a longer engine life. This is not true. In fact, oil has improved greatly over the years, and there isn't a need for additives. Most car manuals will tell you there is no need to add anything to your oil. This video is powered by Automotix.